Hello and welcome to Lisa Ann Can. I'm Lisa Ann. Today is the Monday before Thanksgiving and I'm about to start prepping my corn for my cornbread dressing. So I'm going to show a little bit of footage right here of me shucking and I'm sure there's a name for it, where you twist and break all the kernels off the cob. And when I did that, I got about half a gallon, which is more than enough. I was real pleased with it. So pretty, it looks like candy corn. Some of you hate candy corn. I happen to love it. But anyway, I'm getting ready to grind this. So let me show you the earlier footage here. So the first thing that I'm doing is pulling the husk down. I've got a pretty stiff veggie brush, and I'm giving it a good brush to get the dust and whatever. See, some kernels are coming flying out. This pops off pretty easily here. And there's a few yucky kernels in there. I just take my butter knife and pop those out. I'm making a big mess on the ground, but that's okay. I'll just blow it all out into the yard when I'm done. I don't want these really moldy pieces in there. But once I have that out, I've got my bowl here and I just give it a twist and the kernels come off. So I'm going to sit here and continue this process until all the corn is off the cob. It's going to take a while. So when I'm all done with this, I'll show you how I winnow them. Alright, so I have my Champion juicer here and it has an attachment which is a grain grinder. Let me get a little bit better angle. Alright, so all I'm going to do is plug this baby in and grind about 4 cups of corn. And it's going to be loud, so I'm going to mute over it. I should have had hearing protection on. All right, so got a nice bowl full. I think I'm going to have about 4 cups. And that's perfect. Oh, and it's warm and lovely, and I'm so excited. All right, so the next step in prepping the freshly ground cornmeal is to soak it in lime water. So what I did was I sprinkled 1 inch of pickling lime in the bottom of this quart jar, filled it up with filtered water, shook it really well, and then let it settle out for a couple of days. Usually it only takes overnight. And so the next thing is to pour just enough of this in there. I'll stir it in and make it a certain consistency. Let me show you. Carefully decant the water in there so you see it's starting to lean. You don't want to get the lime in there. You just want the lime water. So pour a little and stir a little. the reason that we do this lime water step is because corn is high in vitamin B3, but it will not come unlocked and available. So soaking it in the lime water causes it to release the vitamin B3. This is not so much a big deal for us today because we get B3 in other areas, mostly through fortification of breads. But I like to do it the traditional manner. I like the final results, and it's an easy step. Alright, my lime is starting to get in the water, so I'm going to stop there, and it's all wet, so I'm done. Alright, all I'm going to do at this point is cover it and let it sit overnight. And then tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm going to add yogurt and let it actually ferment overnight. And then Wednesday, I'll make my cornbread for my stuffing for my turkey on Thanksgiving Day.